we've compiled a list of the most amazing moments from the asphalt arena. From heart-stopping close calls to gravity-defying stunts gone wrong, this episode is a roller coaster trip of twists, turns, and tumbles that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Tune in as we uncover the unpredictable and highlight the resilient spirit of motorcyclists testing the limits on the road. So strap on your helmet for a crazy journey you won't want to miss. A speeding biker collided with a divider, his reckless velocity betraying him. Unprotected, he tumbled hard, the impact shattering his body. The pain was his bitter reward for disregarding safety's shield. Rider rockets forward, wind whipping past, adrenaline surging. In an instant, the impact shatters velocity and balance is lost. Bike and body entwine in a chaotic dance, gravity victorious. Dust settles. A speeding biker hurtles forward, adrenaline pumping. Suddenly, the impact shatters momentum and balance is lost. Bike crashes, biker tumbles, a moment frozen in chaos. Speed's thrill turned into a heart-pounding fall. A speeding biker collided with a car's rear, the impact hurling them into the ground with a jolt. Pain and shock rippled through their bodies as they hit the pavement, a stark reminder of the risk that velocity and roads entail. Focused on the road ahead, the biker cruised unaware of the unfolding danger behind. A sudden impact jolted him as a car struck from behind, shattering his obliviousness and altering the ride's course.
I'm good.
Alright. You think you got all that gear?
Busy.
You're my baby, through the bad nights to the brighter days. Stars smiling at me, nothing but blue skies do I see. Bluebirds.
Alright, let's pull yours out.
Are you okay?
Here.
Yeah. Come on. Okay, hold the front brake so it don't slide down, and the back brake. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold the front brake. Alright, I'll push on the front.
Alright. Is it in gear?
I did.
Yeah.
We're gonna yank it out. Very hard.
Shit.
Well, hey, can you open that gate over there?
As the biker sped down the road with adrenaline coursing through his veins, a sudden decision to halt gripped him. Brakes screeched, tires skidded, and, in a heart-stopping moment, he lost balance. The impact of the fence was inevitable. The unfolding drama was captured by both his trailing companion and his own helmet-mounted camera. Roaring down the speed drag, adrenaline pumping, the biker thrived, but a deafening screech shattered the air as brakes failed, ending in a heart-stopping crash. Smoke, screams, and twisted metal followed, leaving the once bold rider grounded and shattered.
All right, bro, you good? You good?
As the biker cruised ahead, the scene shifted abruptly. A fellow rider was struck by a car. Concerned faces gathered swiftly, united by empathy. Together, they assessed his well-being, reminding us of the camaraderie that defines the biking community. So that's all for today, bikers. We hope you liked our video. Let us know in the comments which accident was the scariest one, and also subscribe to our channel for more thrilling videos.